Hi guys, this is Vineet, and in this video we will discuss about how you can restore disk backups with new name within SQL Server. So before we proceed ahead, I would request you guys to please go ahead and please subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon to get all notifications. Select all option once you hit the bell icon. Let's go back to our topic, which is restoring disk backups with a new name inside SQL Server. So let me take you to SQL Server Management Studio, and there we will continue with our discussion. So inside the SQL Server Management Studio, first you connect to the instance of the SQL Server you're running, and after that you need. So here we are working with Northwind database. So we have a backup for that database under this folder, under the file name this Northwind back. So what we are doing is we are right clicking on the database and we are doing a restore database. But now we will restore this database with a new name. All right. So let's select the device. In our instance, we are using a file which is the Northwind database backup file. But yeah, we restored this database with a new name. So once this is loaded, it is showing me full database backup. And here I'm restoring it to, let's say, sales. I'm restoring it to sales. So sales database is not already present. It will create a new database sale and restore the Northwind database over to the sales database. Northwind data into sales database. So once this is done, we are on the general page, and in the destination section, this checkbox is selected, and in the destination section, we have already changed the database name. And under the option sections, go to the options page, and under the tail log backup, we are unchecking the take tail log backup before restore. We do not need tail log backup over here, so I'm unchecking this option. So if we do not uncheck this option, it will create a database sale, but it will make that database in a restoring state. It will not be fully functional. So that's why we have removed this option. There can be scenarios where you can receive the error messages. The tail of the log for the database sales has not been backed up. So we are not clicking tail log backup. So in some scenarios you can get an error, the tail of the log is not backed up. Use backup log with the no recovery option to back up the log if it contains work you do not want to lose. So in those cases we can use this with replace option to bypass that. So alright, I think we are fine over here at this point. So basically restore normally prevents the accidental overwriting of a database with a different database. Here the database doesn't already exist with the name sales. Let's make name something else instead of sales. I'm changing it to purchase. So I was talking that restoring normally prevents accidental overwriting a database with a different database. And if a database specified in the restore statement already exists on the current server, and the specified database family GUID differ from the family GUID recorded in the backup set, the database is not restored. This is an important safeguard provided in the SQL Server. But in our case, sales database doesn't already exist, so we are just creating a new database with the name. Not sales, but purchase. So let's do that. It will create a purchase database. So we got the error. So let's see what error we got. Northwind MDF cannot be written. It is being used by Northwind database. All right. So the files which are in use with the Northwind database, and this is not a new server. So existing database is already there from which we had taken backup. So what we can do here, we can change the name of the file over here. So let's do that. Instead of changing the logical file name, so let's change this to sales. We are creating altogether a new database, sales, and here what we'll do. Or maybe we can check these options. Relocation is just a path. We are not relocating it, but yeah, just changing the file name. So let me change the file name here to sales LDF for not sales. We are making purchase. So let's make it purchase instead of sales. Let's take it, make it purchase. All right. So we are done. We have set up the file option. So this time it will restore the database onto a separate database purchase. Let's click OK. It's restoring the backup database is restored successfully. So we see a purchase database, but the tables under that will be from Northwind. These are Northwind tables. You can compare it as well. So yeah, we have the same set of tables in Northwind. But yeah, we have just restored a database under a different name. If it was a new machine on which we were restoring the database, and if the Northwind database does not exist, well, we don't require the file renaming option. But yeah, it's good to rename the files as well if you are restoring a database under a new name. So guys, we are done this video. Done with this video. I hope you like this video. Please share your comments with us in the comment section if you really like this video, and also see how we can improve our video quality, and also let us know which topics do you want videos on. We would love to make those videos. And please, once again, please go ahead and subscribe my channel and hit on the bell icon to get all the notifications regarding my future videos. I thank you once again so much for your time, and you have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.